Hi guys, Kaya and I picked Jenny Han as our favorite author.
Jenny Han is the New York Times best-selling author of Shug, the Summer I Turned Pretty series, co-author of the Burn for Burn series, and most recently To All the Boys I've Loved Before trilogy. She is a former children's bookseller and children's librarian. She lives in Brooklyn, New York. She earned her Master of Fine Arts in Creative Writing at the New School, from which she graduated in 2006. While still in school, she began to write her first book, Shug. Shug is about Anna Marie Wilcox, a 12-year-old trying to navigate the pearls of junior high school.
Han also co-authored with Sivan Vivian on the series Burn for Burn, which entails three girls, Kat, Lillian, and Mary, who work together to plot revenge on the people in their lives with the help of their best friends.
Her next project was a young adult romance trilogy, the book that Casey and I both shared a love for. This was about a girl's coming of age during her summer breaks. The three novels, The Summer I Turned Pretty, It's Not Summer Without You, and We'll Always Have Summer, quickly became New York Times bestsellers.
In her latest trilogy in 2014, Han released a young adult romance novel, To All the Boys I've Loved Before, about Laura Jean Song Covey, a high school student whose life turns upside down when the letters she wrote to her 5 past crushes are sent out without her knowledge. She followed this novel with the sequel, P.S. I Still Love You, and the final book, Always and Forever, Laura Jean. Our favorite quote from this series is, "Life doesn't have to be so planned. Just roll with it and let it happen." We think this is a really good message to leave with young readers because life is not always what you expect it to be, and you have to learn to make the most out of the life you live. Here's a video of a few more popular quotes from her work that we enjoyed.
This is a question from an interview with Jenny Han. The interviewer asked, "The four books have similarities, but they're also very different from each other. I was wondering if the idea To All the Boys I've Loved Before started before you wrote the summer books or during or after." Jenny responded with, "It started during. It came from something in my own life. I used to write love letters to boys when I started or when I was trying to get over them, and it would just be very passionate emotions, and I would seal them up and put them in this hat box that I had. I saved them. They were these really, really long observations and thoughts and whatever. These letters were 14 pages long. It was really just for my own sense of closure. That's how I got the idea for the book. Thank God my letters did not get sent out. They were just for me. But her letters obviously did get sent out and set her off on an adventure. The idea came from my own life. That's why we enjoy Jenny Han's writing, because her writing style is very relatable and she is very passionate about her work."